Welcome to Tasty Food for All. Kulfi is my favorite. Simple to make with three main ingredients. It tastes simply superb. So let's see how to make it. I took pieces of two small mangoes and I have taken 2.5 tablespoons of pista. I'm gonna soak it in hot water to peel off the skin. Adding pista is totally optional, but it really enhances the flavor if you add it. I am taking here 1 liter of raw milk. If you don't find it, no problem, but you need to take full fat milk and bring it to boil until it reduces 60% of its original volume. And meanwhile, scrape the sides of the pan. While boiling, let us peel off the skin of the pista, then we will chop it. Let us come back to milk to check on. Now it's time to add sugar. Adding half cup of sugar and let it dissolve completely. And then we will add chopped pista into that and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we will switch off the flame. After that we will add cardamom powder. Now it's time to grind the mango pieces. After grinding it, add the milk mixture into that and give it 2-3 pulses to incorporate everything together. Now it's time to pour kulfi into our mold. Tap it down before keeping the lids on. If you don't have mold, you can use any other glasses and fill it and cover with aluminum foil. Then make a slit to keep the ice cream sticks. Keep them in freezer for overnight. I took out from freezer for demolding, and for demolding keep them in warm water for few seconds, then demold it. Look at that, how easily it is coming out. For demolding paper cups, take some warm water, then drench the kitchen towel into that, then wrap it around the cup. Keep it just for few seconds. It will easily come out. I decorated with fondant flowers just to look pretty.